Just gotta find the holes and where they're sitting. Oh, there we go. There we go. What do we got? Oh, brownie. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch, ouch. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, no, not yet, buddy. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. See, dude? That might have been my bite. Oh, there we go. Ooh, a jumper. Oh, he got off, guys. That's a decent trout. Alright. See if we can pull. Shoot. I need to have like just the perfect cast. Oh, there we go. Just another little guy. Oh, sorry, buddy. Hell of an awesome hole. Ooh, there we go. That's a good fish. That is a good fish, guys. Whew, biggest one of the day. Here we go. Okay, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is unbelievable. Beautiful fish. Wow.
All the way in the back. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna throw my Senko. It's one bait that I know will catch fish. Throw my Senko around the dam. There's one, there's one. Yep, 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 that's a good fish. That's a good fish, dude. Oh God. Dude, it's a good fish. Oh shoot. Oh gosh, I got a good fish. Oh, it's a big bass. I gotta figure out how to get down there. No, I'm good, I think. Yes! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I cannot believe I just caught that fish. I cannot believe I just caught that fish. Dude, that is a good size largemouth. That's probably pushing 3 pounds. That is crazy. That is unreal. Like tiny little freaking urban creek. This is crazy. Little weightless Senko on a spinning rod. Here we go, folks. That is crazy. That's my first urban creek largemouth in my entire life. There's a fish. Yep, that's a good one. There we go. Another Senko fish. I don't think it's quite as big as that first one, but it's a decent fish. I let him actually eat that one. I thought it was a bluegill for a second. Got another one. Yeah. There we go. Another fish. Little Senko fish. That's the key. I don't know a whole lot about creek fishing, but what I do know is bass love Senkos. Not a giant by any means, but I will take it. Out of a creek like this, this is a great fish. All right, there you go. See you, buddy. Back in the creek. What's crazy is these fish have so much food here. Like there's millions of bluegills, so I see why they can actually survive. There's tons of food. There's running water, for Christ's sake. I mean, what more do you want? It just puts oxygen in it. This is like a great fish habitat place. I don't know, ask John B. John B, is this a great fish habitat place? You like got somewhat of an education in that, didn't you? So green sunfish are weak swimmers. That makes a good meal. There's one. Yep. Dude, they want it so slow, just crawling on the bottom. Another Senko fish. It's funny. There's so many bluegills in here. There's they're basically machine gunning this Senko. For those guys who know what that is, it's like, you know, when they're biting, it feels like somebody shooting a machine gun. It's just like. So I'm getting that a lot, but this little guy, he did that exact same thing, but he actually ran with it. And usually when they run with it like that, you can kind of guess it. It might be a bass, but that's not the size we're after. Just a squeaker, little Senko fish. See, buddy. I think John and I, we might actually move spots. I don't know if we're gonna go get food or if we're gonna go to another spot first. But we're gonna keep doing a little bit of creek hopping. You guys have seen me done some pond hopping. We're doing a little creek hopping today. We've got about an hour and a half, 2 hours left, And yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch some more fish. There's fish. Yep. Another one. That's a decent one. It's better. I think they like the Senko. Oh, I don't know if John's John landed a little bit smaller one, but he's I don't know what he's throwing, but he's not throwing the Senko, that's for sure. Another green. Oh, there's fish. There he goes. Yep. Go catch him. Got him. I got a bass. I got the bass. Come on. Yes! Dude! Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we just caught a fish right here. This is unreal. I literally didn't even look from inside the freaking mouth. Look at that. I had a Senko. That is unreal. Got him. Bass, nope. About a 1 pounder. There we go. That is crazy. I just cannot believe that there's actually fish here. Look at that fish. This is a pale one. I don't know what deal is. The other one had super prominent lateral lines. This guy's pale as it gets, just a little squeaker. Again, on the old Senko, this is